Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to post latest post on Bereal. So first, to do that, we should open our Bereal application and just to view your friends' Bereals. So you should share with your Bereal. If you didn't do that, when you just get the notification from Bereal app to get to take a Bereal, and you just want to post it late, you should click here, post a late Bereal. Just now we can see here the time. We got 2 minutes to do that. Now let's just take a picture. Just don't move. We can see that we just edited it successfully, and now we can see here the location. We can turn it on or turn it off, and to show it to our friends or to everyone in Bereal, and then just tap here to send. Wait a second, and now we can add here also the caption and to see the another Bereals from your friends. So that's it. That's how to post late in Bereal application. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.